going to get for this section. We want to find the value of r so that the line through 1, 4, and negative 5r has a slope of 1/3. And what we're going to do is we're going to remember our slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and we're just going to fill in everything we know. I'm going to start by labeling my points x1, y1, and x2, y2. And then I know my slope is 1/3, and I know slope is always m. So now I can fill in this information. M is 1/3 equals r minus 4, y2 minus y1, over x2, negative 5, minus x1, which is 1. And holy smokes, I've got two equal fractions. Hopefully you recognize that this is a proportion. I'm going to simplify it real quick. 1/3 equals r minus 4 over negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6. And if only I had a way of solving proportions. Well, thankfully we do. And this is why we don't use cross multiply and divide, because it would not work here. We're going to cross multiply, and we're going to take those two things, make sure to distribute for this r minus 4, and we're going to set them equal. Now we've got an equation to solve. I'm going to start out by distributing. Negative 6 equals 3r minus 12. I'm going to add 12 to each side. 6 equals 3r. Divide each side by 3, and I find out that r is 2. Now, could I go back and check my answer? You're all curious to know because I know you love doing extra work to check your answer. Of course you can. What I would do is I'd say m equals, plug in 2 for r, 2 minus 4 over negative 5 minus 1. That would give me negative 2 over negative 6, which simplifies to 1/3, which is what m is supposed to be, so I know I got the right answer. But the process is just taking our slope formula, we're used to working with formulas, plugging in everything we know, the only thing we don't know is this r, and then we solve this for r. The way we solve it is by using what we know about proportions, cross multiplying, and setting them equal to each other. That's all there is for this lesson. As always, let me know if you have any questions.